How to learn English using the Bible. Learning English using the Bible is a method that has been successfully used by many people around the world, particularly in religious contexts. The Bible is an excellent resource for language learning because it is widely available, includes diverse vocabulary, and often comes with translations in many languages, allowing for comparison. Here's a step-by-step guide to effectively learn English using the Bible. 1. Choose the right version. Select a version of the Bible written in modern, easy-to-understand English. Recommended versions: New International Version, NIV, New Living Translation, NLT, Good News Translation, GNT. Avoid older versions like the King James Version, KJV, initially, as its archaic language can be confusing for beginners. 2. Get a parallel Bible or bilingual edition. A parallel Bible includes the text in two languages side by side, allowing you to compare the English text with your native language. This helps you understand the meaning of unfamiliar words and phrases in context. 3. Start with simple books. The Bible contains a mix of complex and simpler texts. Begin with stories that are straightforward and narrative-based. Beginner-friendly books. Genesis, familiar stories like the creation of the world. Psalms, short, poetic passages with repetitive vocabulary. Gospels, Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, stories of Jesus' life and teachings. 4. Read aloud. Practice reading the Bible aloud to improve your pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. Many verses use rhythm and repetition, which are excellent for practice. 5. Listen to audio versions. Most Bible apps, like the YouVersion Bible app, offer audio versions. Listening while reading improves your comprehension and helps you learn the correct pronunciation of words. 6. Use Bible apps with language tools. Many Bible apps and websites offer built-in tools for language learners, such as word definitions, cross-language comparisons, audio and video resources. Popular apps: Bible Gateway, YouVersion. 7. Learn vocabulary and grammar. The Bible introduces diverse vocabulary, from everyday words to abstract concepts. Focus on common words: family, nature, emotions, time, e.g., love, water, day. Advanced vocabulary: morality, philosophy, and spiritual terms, e.g., faith, forgiveness, creation. Identify grammar structures like past tense, used in stories, imperatives, used in commandments, and conditional sentences. 8. Write summaries. After reading a passage, write a short summary in English. This helps reinforce vocabulary and ensures you understand the meaning. 9. Memorize key verses. Memorizing short Bible verses builds vocabulary and helps with sentence structure. Start with simple ones. God is love. 1 John chapter 4 verse 8, in the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Genesis chapter 1 verse 1. 10. Join a Bible study group. Many churches or online communities offer Bible study groups in English. Participating helps you practice speaking, listening, and discussing ideas in English. 11. Watch Bible-based movies or series. Watching Bible-inspired films like The Prince of Egypt or The Chosen can help reinforce what you've read while exposing you to conversational English. 12. Set realistic goals. Break down your learning into manageable steps, such as reading one chapter a day, memorizing one verse a week, learning 5 new vocabulary words per story. Advantages of learning English with the Bible. Familiar content. Many stories are well known, making them easier to follow. Cultural insight. English-speaking cultures often reference biblical stories and phrases. Accessible resources. Bibles are widely available in print, online, and audio formats. By using the Bible as a tool for learning English, you can not only enhance your language skills but also gain a deeper understanding of its cultural and spiritual significance.